The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law, and today we're going to explain what happens after a written lease expires in Illinois. So when a written lease for a specified term, like a 1-year or 2-year lease, expires, when that term is up, the default rule is that the tenant is required to move out, and if he or she fails to do so, the landlord can move to evict them as a holdover tenant. However, if the tenant continues to pay rent to the landlord after the term of the lease expires and the landlord continues to accept it, the terms of the written lease remain in effect until the tenant moves out. So any terms about what the tenant can or can do with the property or what the landlord is required to do stay in effect even after the term of the lease expires. However, the lease does not automatically renew for the same duration as the original term. So if it's a 1-year lease and after the expiration of that year, the tenant continues to pay rent, the landlord continues to accept it, the tenant isn't required to stick around for an additional year, nor is the landlord required to keep the tenant around for an additional year, even though all the other terms of the lease are in effect. Instead, the lease becomes a month-to-month lease, regardless of the original term. So even if the original term was a 5-year lease, once the landlord accepts that rent after the term of the lease expired, it becomes a 30-day lease, essentially. 30 days of notice must be given by either party to terminate the lease. So if the tenant wants to move out, the tenant has to give the landlord 30 days written notice of the intention to move out, and as soon as that tenant gives that notice, he or she can move out within 30 days. If the landlord wants to have the tenant move out, he or she has to give the tenant 30 days written notice and properly serve it before filing an eviction proceeding. So that's how it works. The terms of the lease stay in effect if the tenant continues to pay rent and the landlord continues to accept it. And if the only issue is that it's no longer the same term as the original lease, it's a month-to-month lease, and 30 days notice is required by either party to terminate it. So if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below this post at learn-about-law.com or below the video on our YouTube station. If you need some help, please give us a call at 630-324-6666. That's 630-324-6666. We offer free consultations in many areas of law, and we have several geographical locations for your convenience. If you found this helpful, we'd love it if you subscribe to us wherever you listen to your podcasts or watch your videos. We're on YouTube, SoundCloud, Apple Podcasts, and a lot of other places. Thank you so much for watching and listening.
Thanks so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for new videos every week, and download and review us on iTunes. Visit learn-about-law.com for other legal-related articles and videos. Visit our business podcast and video blog, seizeyourbusiness.com, and visit Making Real Estate Fun for real estate videos and podcasts. Call us at 630-324-6666 for a free consultation.